This fitting guide is for the ZG33075-0007. First, pull the seat forward and undo the hook and loop at the back of the seat. Take the base cover and throw it over the base of the seat. Make sure to pull it down over the front corners. Tuck it down at the back of the seat before pulling the elasticated straps over the back corners of the seat. This process is the same for both sides. Next, take the backrest cover and undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. Throw the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it down. Make sure to pull the cover behind this plastic housing. At the back, make sure this hole lines up with the plastic fixing. Using this handle, pull the seat forward and attach the hook and loop from top to bottom around the back of the seat. At the front of the seat, make sure the stitching in the cover lines up with the stitching in the seat. Take the bottom flap, which is split in two, and feed them through to the back of the seat where they are attached using hook and loop to the back panel. The split gives room for any cables to the cushion. And you can now attach the remaining tab to the base cover by using the hook and loop. You can now push the seat back. Your seat is now fully protected.